it down. There you go.
Sip your wine.
Is this mine?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, watch it. Ours is gonna be fire.
Alright my friends, so up to this point we haven't added any salt to our dish, okay? So if you're cooking at home and you add salt from start to finish all the way through the cooking process, you might end up with a dish that's too salty, because once the salt is in, you cannot take it back out, okay? So we're going to do this little technique. So I'm going to take this wooden spoon here and take a little bit of broth onto here and then tip it onto this metal spoon and taste. So this is how I can go around like the whole class. I do this in a professional kitchen as well, so I don't like double dip in all the paella, okay? We're always really good friends, but everyone's got limits. Health and safety, right? So what I want you guys to do is taste the broth first, just like I did, and then add as much or little salt as you want. This is like completely up to you. How much salt you add, this is your paella. I like to say salt is like a marriage. You have to compromise on every pinch. Some people like more.